Hello friends, today I am going to share with you two stocks. I am going to share with you the consolidation which is happening, the breakout which has taken place, followed by a pullback which has happened, and now what target are we looking at within this month itself. You will be surprised to see the percentage gain which is likely after this consolidation. So let's start with the analysis of these two stocks. In front of us, we have GMR Airports Infra. It has formed a consolidation triangle. Let's see how the triangle is formed. Then the breakout happened and then the pullback. So let's understand step by step what all has happened. So let's form the triangle first. Here we go. We join the two tops. Then we join to bottom, and as we can see, the breakout occurred here on 26th of April. Subsequent to the breakout, it took a pullback and it came to this level. What level it has come? If we check from Ichimoku indicator, it has come to a very important support level on Ichimoku and formed a reversal pattern. This is a reversal pattern. This is a piercing pattern. Once it has formed piercing pattern, there is a high probability that it is going to go upward. How far it will go? As we know, if it will go up from the bottom to the top, if we measure around 21 points, it is likely to go. If we keep this 21 points here, it is likely to go till 104 or 105. It is likely to reach the target by 28th of May. What should be the stop loss? Our stop loss should be the breakout point from here. So this is our initial stop loss, the low inside the triangle. If you see from here to here, 88, so 78 to 88, we have 10 points which is there. So 10 points become trailing stop loss. As it goes, you can trail it with 10 points. Once it reaches the target, people can book the profit. Now, please understand, this is a educational video. So I'll summarize about GMR Infra before we go to our next stock. GMR Infra forming a triangle. It gave a breakout on 26th of April. There was a pullback. Again, a piercing pattern formed. It has now started to go up. It is likely to reach 104 by 28th of May. That within this month, 1 month, it is likely to go up by 20-24%. So let's go ahead. Let's see what is happening in the next stock. Our next stock is Arin Limited. What the pattern is forming here? We can see there was a handle here followed by a cup. So we are forming a cup here. So handle followed by a cup, and on 23rd April there was a breakout. Subsequently it came down and took support at this level. Let's see what support level are there on Ichimoku. Yes, on Ichimoku also it has taken support on an important level and started going up. How far it is likely to go up? It is likely to go up from bottom of the cup till the top 72-75 points. When we keep the 75 points at the breakout level, it is likely to go up 75 points from this level. That is almost 25% going up. By when it is likely to reach the target? Arin Limited is likely to reach the target by 30th of May. So within a 1 month also we can expect around 20% of growth. Hope you enjoyed the analysis. Hope you enjoyed this video. To watch more videos like this, I would request you to like this video, subscribe to my channel and share with your friends. If you have any comments, put those comments in the section below and I will reply to all your questions. Thank you for watching. See you soon.